arm over.
You're all right, Dad?
Hey.
Oh, it's all bright.
Over there again, I reckon.
Tail.
Well done, Will. Wow.
Yeah,
They are horses, aren't they? You just go right a bit, guys. Oh, they're all there's more bunkers.
Yeah, I'm on. Drop down. I've got the same thing as you.
I got the same.
Yeah, we got the same stuff.
Well done, Wilbur.
Yes.
Well done, Will. Bit of a jigging. He nearly had a go, man.
I just jigged it a couple times up and down. Yeah. Yeah, I had mine nearly on the bottom. Whoa! Oh, he spat it.
Oh.
That was unreal. I can do it for you if you want.
I've got to do that, mate. Get into him, boy. Oh, no, I didn't have to reach.
There you go, nice.
Oh, triple walk up. I won't put mine in, I don't think. Look at them going behind this boat over here. Holy cow, they're going proper. Yeah, look at that. Holy coming around, coming around. Holy shit, no, he doesn't know where he wants to go.
Oh, I've got the biggest one ever I've had.
Holy
This thing's
shit, mine's
huge.
just going deep. I'm not putting mine out really ruffled up.
Oh! I can't get him up.
Oh, he's busting it off.
I don't even know if mine's a bloody salmon.
Mine's busting it. Oh, you big bloke. Oh! Oh, I've got some bait. Oh, they go, they go. Oh, they go as hard as any fish.
I don't know what I got on here, but it's big.
You might have a king here.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
busted him. That's what happened
That
to
was,
me.
no, that was well bigger than anything I've had on before.
Yeah, I had a big bastard on because he just kept going with the Saragossa.
That was a salmon. That's the biggest salmon of all time.
Oh, look at them out there. Where are they now? Oh, they're everywhere around the channel.
They'll come.
Oh, yep, I got him.
Yeah, I'm on.
I got a cooler this time.
I got a salmon.
Oh, you got a big bass. Oh, yeah.
They all just chased me.
Around with the bird.
Ah, hook in me ass.
How you both going on then, salmon? Salmon over there.
Keep love like, are you on channel?
Hooked up straight away.
Kimbo, where you going? I run to the salmon there, you know. Huge fish.
Oh, look at all the
You're
bait
here,
he
are you?
just spat out.
Oh, no worries, mate. Right,
Yeah, that's him just there. He just waved
I've
to
been
us.
trying to read you, and no worries. Right, all the best.
He just waved to us, Scott.
He's next door, Dad. He's right there. He said, yeah, I can see you.
Oh, I just saw one jump just there.
Oh, there they are. Where are they? Like a madman. I put her on there.
That's better.
Yeah, I'll save you.
Oh, I'm on. Oh, I was on.
Oh, one gone there.
Yeah, I got one.
You got him, Will?
Yep.
You put him down the bottom, Will?
Yeah, just putting them down the bottom. They keep taking me on the way down. I think this is a rooter.
Oh, you got a cooler? We're getting rooted now.
I rooted him in the side. Oh no, I didn't. Whoa! Jesus! Jesus,
what?
Robson.
Some out in front of us, too.
Phew. Watch
Oh,
ears.
they are sitting on top of the water. Where that splash is.
Oh, my thing's dicked up. Come on!
You're on, Kitty Will.
Go, Nad!
I'm getting mine up.
Drag up. Just,
Oh, he's jumping.
oh, look out! Oh, funky chicken!
Look at him underneath us. Drop that down. Drop it.
Oh,
He's got the mad thing. They're everywhere in there. Drop yours straight down, Ben.
oh, 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 got him! Oh, there's a hole there, look out for that one. Yeah, straight out the front. They're all jumping. Oh, Bobby's on.
Oh, nearly pulled in Bobby's boat.
I'll keep him away from you. Oh, I might have you.
That's swap.
Swap. I'm underneath you, I reckon.
No, you're not. You're the other way.
I'm over you, am I?
Oh, I'm just that way.
Yeah, no, I am underneath you. I thought
that
so.
one jump.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh no.
Rocket.
Oh, well, get him in. I've still got a fish on, but whoops.
Oh, the fish is there. Oh,
Yeah, that's me. What?
Hey.
All right.
Tall guy. Right, where are they?